This video is going to walk you through how to submit a report on the WA Invasives app. First, select the app from the home screen. You're going to be brought to a list of our priority invasive plants. If you would like to see our priority invasive animals, tap the menu icon in the upper left-hand corner. This will bring up the menu. The second option reads Priority and Invasive Animals. If you select that, you will be brought to our list of priority invasive animals. Now, our app doubles as a digital field guide, so you can select each species to read more about it. Additionally, you can report a sighting directly from the species page by tapping Report Sighting in the upper right-hand corner. However, there's a different way to report a sighting. Go back and once again select that menu icon from the upper left-hand corner. The third option on the menu reads Report a Sighting. That is what you will select. You then are going to be brought to a list with our priority invasive species. In this example, I'm going to be reporting spotted jewelweed. So I'm going to select S, but what I notice is that spotted jewelweed is not listed here. If this happens to you, we have another option for you. What you do is scroll down to U. Once you get to U, you will see that we have unknown aquatic animal, unknown aquatic plant, unknown disease, unknown land animal, and unknown land plant. For this example, I'm going to select unknown land plant. Next, you're going to be brought to a map with a pin dropped where you are. However, potentially, you saw this invasive species somewhere else. So what you're going to have to do is drag that pin to where you saw the invasive species. So let's see, I'm going to zoom out. And since this is an example, let's say I found the invasive species over here in this park. So I'm going to tap the pin and move it to the park. Once the pin is in the correct location, all you do is tap Sighting Location is Here. Next, you are brought to a screen that asks for photos of your sighting. A clear picture is really important for professionals to verify your report. You can either take a picture or select one from your gallery. In this example, I'm going to tap Gallery and select my picture. Next, you are brought to a screen where you enter your name and email address, as well as a description. Now, in this situation, a description is not necessarily a physical description of the invasive species you are reporting. What we are looking for here is more location information. So if someone were to go out and find that invasive species, where would they look? So let's say I found the spotted jewelweed on the XYZ trail about a quarter mile in on the right. Next, you tap Review Sighting Report. Please review all details on the screen to make sure they are accurate. If so, tap Save on the bottom. However, you are not quite finished yet. There's actually another step you must take in order to submit your report. Go back to the menu icon in the upper left-hand corner. Second from the bottom on the menu is your report queue. That is what you want to select. You will be brought to a page that has all of your reports that have not been submitted yet. Tap Actions in the upper right-hand corner. Then select your report. Finally, you're going to hit upload at the bottom of the screen. You will know you were successful because you're going to receive an email thanking you for your submission. On behalf of the Washington Invasive Species Council, I wanted to thank you so much for submitting reports of invasive species sightings on our app. Your reports are critical in ensuring we detect new invasive species before they spread and become a problem. Additionally, reports of invasive species that are already here provide valuable data on current distribution and spread. So we really appreciate you doing your part to keep Washington green and beautiful for future generations.